In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste from Word into PowerPoint while keeping the formatting intact. If you've ever found yourself struggling to maintain that professional look and feel when moving text from Word to PowerPoint, you know how frustrating it can be when the formatting just doesn't translate. Thankfully, there's a straightforward method to accomplish this, and I'll guide you through it step by step. First, you'll want to have your Word document open. This is where the text you'll be copying is located. Make sure that you have formatted your text exactly the way you want it before you start copying. Once you're satisfied with the formatting, go ahead and select the text that you want to transfer over to PowerPoint. Once highlighted, you can right-click and select Copy, or simply use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on a Mac. Now, navigate to PowerPoint on your computer, open it up if you haven't already done so, then open the PowerPoint presentation where you want to paste the text. If you haven't created your slides yet, now would be a good time to set them up, placing the elements you need on your slides to create a cohesive presentation. With your presentation slide open, you'll head over to the Home tab at the top of the PowerPoint window. This tab contains all the tools you need for editing and customizing your slides, and you'll find the familiar paste option here as well. Instead of clicking the standard paste button, look for the small drop down arrow directly underneath it. Go ahead and click on that drop down, which will give you a variety of pasting options. To keep your Word documents formatting intact, you need to opt for Paste Special. Selecting Paste Special will bring up a new dialog box, showing various options on how your content can be pasted. Here you want to choose to paste it as a Word document link. This essentially retains the Word document's formatting and links it to your PowerPoint slide so that it looks just as polished as it does in your document. Once you have selected your Word document link, click OK. And that's it. Your text should now appear on your PowerPoint slide with all the original formatting from your Word document preserved. This method not only saves time but ensures that your presentation maintains consistency and professionalism in its design. By following these steps, you'll be able to effortlessly copy text from Word into PowerPoint without worrying about losing your carefully crafted formatting. With practice, this will become a quick and easy part of your presentation preparation process.